In the game of rugby, knowledge is power.
Knowing and respecting the strengths and weaknesses of who you're playing.
Being constantly aware of imminent attack and having the right defensive moves ready.
The same applies to life, really.
In the battle against HIV and AIDS, safe play and condoms are the first lines of defense.
Understanding the risks of bad defense is the second part of your game plan.
We have made mistakes in the field that we regret, but the difference is, rugby is only a game.
Life is not.
One moment is all it takes to change a life forever.
Is it going to be a great moment, or one you'll live to regret?
What are you going to get for Christmas?
Tina,